Hello sir, my name is Rabi Thapa. I am 26-year-old. I am from Tikapur, Kailali, Nepal. I have 4-year experience as a chef. Today I am making white sauce pasta with grilled chicken. बहुत लगा है। For making white sauce pasta with grilled chicken, we need chicken breast, olive oil, salt, and in some cutting vegetable, broccoli, chili flakes, beans, some chopped garlic, carrot, capsicum, some onion, and cheese, flour, black pepper powder, white pepper powder, and some butter, and oregano, rosemary, some milk, and we need also pasta. For boiling pasta, we need put some salt and little bit of oil. 1 teaspoon of oil. We have some olive oil, little bit of salt, black pepper powder, white pepper powder, boil for 5 minutes. Beans, broccoli, little bit of carrot, onion, capsicum, mix well. Now we are making sauce, white sauce. Some butter, chopped garlic, mix it well. Flour, milk, black pepper powder, salt, chili flakes, mix it well. rosemary, oregano, cheese, and mix it well. Okay, our white sauce is ready. Now we have to put this pasta and mix it well. Nicely mix it. Yes. Now we have to put this one also, grilled chicken and vegetables. For 2 minutes. एउटा गाजर दियो. Our white sauce pasta with grilled chicken is ready. Thank you, sir. Hope you like my performance.